Want to delete your Discord account using your phone? Here's how to do it step by step, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more quick tech tips. First, open Discord on your Android or iPhone and log into your account. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap the gear icon at the top right to open user settings. Now tap on account, scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see delete account option. Tap on delete account. If you own any server, Discord will ask you to transfer ownership or delete them first. Enter your password to confirm. If you have 2FA enabled, enter your 6-digit code. Once done, your account will be logged out and scheduled for deletion. And that's it, your Discord account is now on its way to being deleted. Like, share and subscribe for more quick and helpful tech guides.